and the result, which in this case is going to be the website. Right? That's what this HTTP module is going to return to you. It's going to give you, like, it's going to tag the names that the Google Maps had pulled up. Is going to tag that name to a website. So that is what you would put here. So you can save this, and then you would continue to run this until it is complete. Because if you want like 50, 50 names or 50 websites, you don't want it to just run one and get to the end before it comes to run the second one. So what you would rather do is set up this particular module that, the number of rows here, right? Sorry, number of rows here, which every time it adds a row, it's going to say row one. It has only created row one. It creates the next row, it calls it row two. So normally, right, if we are asking that, it's your limit when you are setting this Google Maps is like 50. So you want it to, generate 50. Every time it generates, the first name and other things, like you can see here, the URL to the maps and all of that. Every time it generates this, it's going to call it, grouping it in a bundle. So it will call it, it will be calling it every time it generates a bundle. Every time it generates a bundle, it will label it one, label it two. As you can see here, it generated 19, 19 companies or 19 marketing agencies, and so the bundle here is 19. So what we want to do is make this run and make it add. We want the Google Sheet to add 19 rows as well. So what we are going to do is make sure that our row number here is exactly equal to the number of bundles here. So if the bundles are 19, then that means the last row number that you want to have is 19. So anything below that means that it's not done running. So we want it to continue running, right? So once we have that, that's a very important step that you have to do, so that way you have all of your names and the website already created for you before you proceed to the next one, which is going to be the search row.